Okay, this is going to be the most non-flashy video you've ever seen because I've got something so powerful here, there really isn't any need to do any selling or convincing. I've found a really cool way to make quick money by performing simple tasks online that you get paid for. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same. I'm only going to be showing this to 20 people, so you need to make sure you follow everything I tell you in this video if you want to make money with this. Now, just by performing 4 tasks yesterday online, which took me no more than an hour to do, I earned $544.32, as you can see right here. The day before, I earned $382.32, and the day before that, I earned $403.88. Actually, here's how much I've earned this month by performing simple tasks online that I get paid for. That's $11,201.32 in 1 month. That's more than I used to earn in 6 months when I worked at Walmart. And if you're watching this now, then maybe you've been trying to make money online and haven't found something that works. Well, I've put together this video to show you exactly how you can start making money doing simple tasks online that you get paid for. But before that, I'd like to show you just how cool this method of making money is. I'm going to do something that no one has ever done before. I'm going to perform one of these tasks live in this video so you can watch me earn money live. Now, the great thing about this is that you can get paid via PayPal, and with PayPal, you can withdraw the money you earn directly into your PayPal account the same day that you make it. You just go to the withdrawal button as you see here, and the money will be available in the bank instantly. Unlike other methods with internet marketing where you have to wait weeks or months to get paid, you get paid instantly with this. But first, in case you think you've seen something like this before, let me tell you what this has nothing to do with. This has nothing to do with the following: paid surveys, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, binary, hosting, Facebook, social media, selling info products, traffic. Actually, this is something you have probably never seen or done before. I mean, if you have, then you'd probably be making good money by now too, just like me. Here's how this works. All you need is around an hour per day to make this work. Do you have an hour you can spare so you can make some good money? You see, there's a site I recently discovered. I won't reveal the name of this site just yet. You'll find out what that site is in the tutorial videos I'm going to give you. This site is a place where you can go to get paid to perform tasks. It's something that anyone with a little bit of spare time can do. The tasks you perform are very easy to do, and you don't need any experience. The only thing is, in order to make money from this site, you need to be an insider. Not everyone will be able to earn money from this site because they simply do not know the secrets that I do and that you will soon know too. I'll be giving you the secrets and steps for you to start earning money from this site starting today. Now, in a moment, I'm going to perform a task and make money live so you can see that this works. But let's just do some math so you can see how much money you can make when you follow the steps I'm going to give you. Now, the amount of money you'll get paid for each task you perform will vary. It can be as little as $10 or as much as $100 or more. But each task doesn't take that long to do. So let's say one task takes you 30 minutes to do, and let's say that for that task you earn $15. So if you had only 1 hour to spare each day, that would mean you would earn $30 per day. Not that much, I know. That's around an extra $900 per month to your income, but still enough to help you pay off some of those debts and bills, right? But that's like the worst case scenario. I've been making up to $11,201 in a single month, and I'm going to show you the secret formula of how I'm able to make up to $11,201 by performing tasks on this site so you can too. You see, if I gave you the name of this site and you went on it and started performing tasks, you probably wouldn't make much or anything at all because you don't know what I know. When I first found this site, it took me a week to know what I was doing, and I made around $50 the first week. But after I found out 3 secrets that I'm going to share with you, I was able to quickly ramp up my earnings to where I'm now making as much as $11,201 in a single month without even doing much. Now, I was just in your shoes not too long ago. I actually spent more than a year using my credit card buying product after product, trying to find a way to make money so I could quit my dead-end job at Walmart. I won't give you my sob story, but to cut a long story short, I racked up over $20,000 in debt after falling for all the schemes and scams out there. I'm talking about those get-rich-quick products that the gurus sell you all the time, where they promise to make you rich if you just buy this. Well, I had enough, and I decided I would go on my own, do my own research, and find a way to make money, legitimately, from home, without paying any more money to gurus. Then, one day, I stumbled upon this site where I saw people getting paid for simple tasks. At this point, I was still working at Walmart, so I had around an hour per day between work and looking after my kids to try this making money online stuff. I decided to do an experiment on this site I found. I signed up for free and started doing a few simple tasks. Within the first week, I made $50. $50 in a week. I mean, it's not a lot, but I was onto something. Within a few days, I had cracked the code to making crazy money from this site. And I was soon making $300 to $500 per day by spending just an hour on this site, as you can see here. Within a few weeks of earning $300 to $500 a day, I was able to almost clear off my credit card debt. And now I do things like go on random vacations, buy my wife and kids unexpected gifts, and just enjoy life. You'll be surprised at the things you can do with an extra $11,000 per month coming in. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you just how easy it is to perform a task and make money with this site. So let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at the date here first. As you can see, the date is Saturday, February 28th, 2015. And here's the current timeline. Now, this site pays you via PayPal. So what I've done is I've withdrew all of the money from my PayPal account, so it's back to zero. And hopefully within the next hour, we'll have some money in there from performing a task. Now, let's head over to this special site. What I'm going to do is see if there are any tasks available for me to perform now. Sorry, I've had to blur out this site, but you'll get to see what that site is on the inside. Okay, so I see there are 4 tasks available for me to do right now here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, perform the task, and then come back in around 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been around 15 minutes since I paused the recording and performed the first task. Let's take a look at my PayPal account. Okay, so there is still zero. I mean, it's only been 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is just wait another 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll check my PayPal account and see if I've been paid yet. The great thing about this is that it's guaranteed to get you paid after you perform the task. When you do a task, you get paid. It's as simple as that. It usually takes around an hour before the money goes into your PayPal when you finish the task. But let's check my account in around 10 to 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so it's around 15 minutes later. Let's log into my PayPal account now and see if I've been paid. I'll just enter my username and password here. Okay, we're in and, oh, cool, I've been paid. I've been paid $44.60 for the task I just did. All it took me was around 10 minutes to do that specific task, and I got paid $44.60. Now, I did just one task. What I'm going to do now is perform the other 2 tasks, and I'll log back in later to show you how much I've made. Okay, so it's around an hour since I last showed you my account, as you can see by the time here. And I've performed the other 2 tasks. Let's log back into PayPal. I'll just enter my username and password. Okay, so as you can see, the total I've made so far today is $326.91. All I did was perform 3 tasks, which took me less than 45 minutes to do total. And I've earned $326.91 so far. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so as you saw, I made $326.91 by spending 45 minutes performing 3 simple tasks on this website. Do you think you could do this? You just witnessed $326 being made live in 45 minutes. If you did that every day, that would be a total of $9,780 per month. Would an extra $9,780 per month change your life? Even if you made half of that, would an extra $4,890 per month change your life? What if you did more tasks in a day? You could make 2, 3, or 5 times that amount. Imagine all the things you could do with an extra $9,780 per month. Screw working for someone when you're making $9,780 per month. And that was just spending 45 minutes doing 3 tasks. Are you starting to see how profitable this really is? You can do whatever you want now. You don't need that boss breathing down your neck anymore. Anyway, let me show you how you can start earning money right away. I don't have enough time in this video to show you the detailed steps to making money from this site by performing simple tasks. So what I've done is I've put together some easy to follow tutorial videos that I call Rapid Commissions. And I'm making these available for just 20 people. I can only teach this to 20 people because I think if I show this to more than 20 people, it might not be as effective for everyone. Inside Rapid Commissions, you'll find out exactly how you can start earning money today by performing simple tasks online that you get paid for. I put together the videos myself to make it as easy as possible for you to follow. You literally just follow exactly what I show you. Follow the steps, and you could start earning money in a few hours from now. It's so easy and simple to follow, even a 2-year-old could do this. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the catch? Do I need to pay anything? Well, let me just get to the point and get straight to it. I've decided to let 20 people access Rapid Commissions for free, and I'll help you make money by performing tasks online. But I need to qualify you first to make sure you're a real fit for Rapid Commissions. You see, I could give this to anyone, but I want to make sure you're actually going to do something with this. Because it's not going to work if you just get access and then just leave it on your hard drive. Right now, there are thousands of people viewing this video and only 20 will get in. If you're still watching this now, then you're obviously interested in making money by performing tasks online. So here's what you need to do. To qualify as one of my 20 students, you need to fit the following criteria. First, if you are already making over $100,000 per year online, then sorry, I can't accept you. I want this to be for beginners who have not made much or anything at all online. Second, if you're not willing to follow my steps and do what I tell you, then sorry, I can't accept you. This will only work if you follow the steps I give you, which involves you performing a few tasks and then getting paid for it. Third, you need to be able to spare at least 30 to 45 minutes per day to perform certain tasks. If you think you'll make money by doing nothing, then sorry, I can't accept you. Okay, so now that I've got rid of those that aren't serious, if you fit those criteria, then congratulations. You qualify to access Rapid Commissions and be part of the 20 people that I'm going to work with to help you start earning money online today. If you look below, you'll see a button. If that button is no longer there, then I'm really sorry, but you've missed out. If the button is still there, that means there are spots left. Here's how to get full access to Rapid Commissions right now. The last step I've put into place is to filter the serious from the not serious. So the final step is for you to take care of the tiny admin and processing fee. It's tiny. As a matter of fact, it's what you would pay for a cup of coffee at Starbucks. The processing fee is just to cover the members area and the setup costs for me to deliver this training to you. I'm not really profiting from this, to be honest. I just want to be able to help you make money. Call me crazy, but that's the truth. Once you take care of the processing fee, you'll gain full access to the Rapid Commissions members area, and you'll be able to start setting up your system to start earning money within the next few hours. Simply enter your email and then click the button below to get access. As soon as you've got access, you'll be able to access the secured members area you see here. So enter your email and hit the download button right now, and I'll see you on the inside.